Hey guys, welcome back to Late Night Nick. So today we're going to be looking at this $2.50 gaming microphone, and they even had the audacity to wrap it in this theft protection like thing. And you know, it literally look $2.50. I had to take a photo of it when I bought it because it was actually unbelievable. It was $10. Then for a while it was $5, and I bought it to make a video on it when it was $5. And then I did end up making the video. And this desktop here, it's without a microphone, an internal microphone. But my wife whipped this out because it was just sitting there in the box. As you can see, it's already set up to do some stuff for her course. Because she's studying marketing. So yeah, she whipped it out, and she called me on it, and she goes, "Oh, how's it sound? I've got a call with the other students." I said, "Actually, it sounds great." So it's a little bit of a biased review because I know that it actually does work. But at $2.50, it was worth buying another one, just to do the unboxing, just so I could have unboxing in the title. So as you can see, it's no Apple product. It doesn't have that detailed unboxing experience, but it does, it does protect it a little bit with that plastic stuff. It's got a manual with it. The manual's quite basic, but it gets the job done. So there's no real complaints there. Essentially, you plug this bad boy in straight into the USB port, turn the button on. It'll fire up, no dramas at all, mate. If not, take it straight back to Kmart, get your $2.50 back. So there's no dramas at all with that one, I think. So anyway, we continue our little journey on the world's smallest desk. After I put that bit of toilet paper away. Okay, so this is just to kind of show you guys how quick and easy it is to show up. So unplug the old one out, plugging in the new one. I'm not quite sure if it was a little bit quicker because of it already had pretty much the same software on it downloaded from the device, but boom, there's no setup, there's no oh, this microphone is now ready to use. It's just instantaneous, it's just there and ready to go. Anyway, I'm going to take you into some audio that's been recorded straight from the device, and you can listen to how it sounds compared to the S10, and then we're going to compare it to another couple of devices as well. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. This is the new microphone, fresh out of the box. Let's see how she sounds. So I'm going to try and make it sound the test a bit more conversational. So I'm going to go into a few random stories for these next few that I just made up on the spot. Yeah, mate, so I was walking down the street the other day, and then, this guy was just running past me, and I said, "Hey, buddy, what you doing?" And he said, "Oh, I'm just going to Bunnings." And I said, "Hey, is that my missus?" And he said, "Oh, I don't know, mate, next question. Cannot confirm or deny such a thing." Anyway, so, next thing you know, I'm at the wedding. Alright, we're going to be comparing it now to the Blue Ice, which is about a $100 microphone. We unwrap the tape for the S10 adapter and unlock its full treasures. To the full power supply, let's roll. Yeah, nah, so, I'm at the wedding and all of a sudden, they all start doing the Macarena, and I'm like, I don't know how to do this dance, it's too complicated. So I start cranking that Soldier Boy. Anyway, that's how I got my felony for throwing gang signs. Return of the Darkness, let's see how this sounds against the cheap aux mic instead of a USB mic. So yeah, anyway, after I got locked up in jail for just a little bit, this guy started talking to me about cryptocurrency, and I was like, hell yeah. So anyway, I put the house on mortgage, sell it off, put it on an Australia coin, and anyway, that's how I ended up in the homeless shelter. So it does turn out you can get this bad boy to work if you've got the proper aux import for this sort of thing with the microphone. But, yeah, it still sucks. So anybody who's been following the trilogy, this is the final one. The indirect sequel to those first two reviews. Anyway, we're going to end this on the audio from the microphone again. Anyway, guys, so long story short, if you're an awkward white guy, just don't do any dancing. Anyway, I hope this gave you enough information if you want to buy this product or not. Personally, I think it's not too bad. I'm going to actually rate it 5 stars. It lights up. It's $2.50. You can get it for $2. 50, that's, can't complain. If you need to just make some Zoom calls or whatever, don't expect to, incorporate this into your music studio or anything like that, but for the price you pay, there is absolutely